let's make a Santa magnet out of this tin can lid and a mop from Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we paint 2 coats on this lid from a tin can. I think it was from Tomatoes. And then I have this little stocking I got from Dollar Tree, and I kind of stretch it over the tin can lid once it's dry. I put a little glue on the back underneath the rims just so that it stays put. Then put a little bit more glue, and then we're going to pull down the toe of the stocking so that it looks like a hat, right? Look at how fun this is. I love it. All right, and then I make 2 little ovals. I'm using a paintbrush and paint. You could use a marker. And then I use the back of a paintbrush to put a couple white dots in for some personality in those eyeballs. And then I actually used, you could use a toothpick, but I'm using a wooden skewer to just put another dot on the eyes as well. Then I use some blush and a little dauber to make some rosy cheeks. Yes, I have a wreath, and I take pieces off of it often just to put little embellishments on. So I embellish the end of the hat with a little bell. Now here's where the real fun stuff starts. I have this Dollar Tree mop head, and I pull out many of the, the strings. I have a 1/4-inch bead, and I'm going to put one of those strings through the bead, and I'm going to unravel all of our mop string. Okay. Once I'm done, this is the hardest part of this whole thing, is unraveling these pieces of mop. It's ridiculous. But anyways, so after that, I actually put some more strands on the back of the bead, just because I felt like this is going to be the mustache for Santa, and I wanted to have it a little bit fuller. All right, so let's get back to the lid. So I put some glue on the lid, and then see how I'm kind of looping. It's not a rough edge on the face of Santa. So I do a loop, and then I put some more glue, and see how I kind of loop it around like that. And I do that all on the bottom. I go all the way across, all the way up to the other side of the hat. Super easy. Is there an easier way to do it? Probably. Do I know it? No. I cut all the loops and trim it a little bit, and then I do the same thing. I do another row, just because, again, I wanted it to look a little fuller. So again, you're just going to glue, and then you just kind of, it's like a zigzag almost. You just keep going all the way around. Easy peasy. I love these mop. These mop heads are like so versatile. You can use them for so many things. This is just one of them. Okay, so, and then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to clip all of the loops so that they are all strands. And now the fun begins. Now you're going to unravel every single one of them. You don't have to do that, I suppose, but come on, it looks much better. Then I put some glue on the back of the little mustache that we had, and stop it, right? So cute. And then I put a little bit more glue on the back, and I glued a magnet on the back. You could glue ribbon on the back so that you could hang it. I just like magnets. Look at how cute this is. Are you kidding me? Stop. Somebody told me the other day to stop saying stop it. No, I won't. Stop. Look at how cute it is. I love it. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.